Time now for a special COVID segment, The Good, Bad, Ugly. Here's a report.
Here is the good news of the day. There is a possibility of a third vaccine getting an approval in the country because Johnson & Johnson has said that they are now in conversation with the regulators, with the government of India to start their trials in the country. The good news is that this is a single-dose vaccine, logistically much easier to use. The efficacy is also satisfactory. It's hovering around 72%. It's acting against various variants also, many of which seen in India already. They are in conversation with the government, with the regulators, is what Johnson has said. Here is the bad news of the day. Cases of COVID are increasing in the country and hospitals are now shutting down their OPD services, saying that they are not in a position to handle patients who are not coming to the hospital for COVID-19. These are other patients and hospitals are saying that if it's not extremely important, these medical treatments can wait and hence OPD services are being shut down. There are two reasons for this. One, because doctors increasingly across the country are once again getting infected because of COVID-19 spread in the country in spite of vaccinations, given the fact that enough has been said about the vaccine only providing protection from severe disease but not from infection. Also, the hospitals are getting burdened because of increasing patients suffering from COVID-19 and hence other patients requiring other types of medical services and attention are being asked to wait. Here is the ugly news of the day. Reports pouring in of many people who are in fact going to vaccination sites being turned away because of shortage of vaccines. This is being reported in both BJP-ruled states and opposition-ruled states. The opposition-ruled states have raised these concerns with the central government. In Rajasthan, there is a shortage of vaccines. The government has said that already. Chhattisgarh too has reported a shortage of vaccines. They have stocks to last only up to 1 day. There is no buffer stock. Maharashtra too continues to be extremely vocal when it comes to shortage of vaccines. Many seniors are waiting for the second shot to be given. Many people who are eligible right now are being turned away because there are no doses left, is what vaccination sites are reporting. Many vaccination sites have been rendered completely redundant because of this.
That's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or download our app. I'll see you in just about a bit with the top headlines.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.